My parents were farm workers and worked in factories. I was in 13 different schools by the time I was in 6th grade. When I went to college, I remember my guidance counselor saying, "People like you don't go to college, don't go to law school." I was devastated when I came to Seattle University School of Law because my mother said, "Yes, people like you do go to law school." It was the first place where I felt that people cared about me. My education mattered, who I was mattered. They do so much work with diversity initiatives, social justice initiatives, that I am proud to be counted among the folks who do that type of work.
The thing about Faye, it's like a combination of fun and passion for what she does, and also intellectual know-how, and so that combination makes Faye who she is and why so many people are drawn to her in wanting to join her in the work that she's trying to do.
If I had to describe myself in a handful of words, which is hard for lawyers, but you should be concise, I would say passionate, family-oriented. My family would then say I was bossy. I am a sci-fi geek. Yes, I went to Comic-Con, and yes, my entire family went with me. In my job, I have been able to go back to the Yakima Valley to help students who are exactly like me in the position that I was in. Being a lawyer, having this degree has opened doors. It is a privilege.